This candle quartz beauty is one of the pieces that's on my desk. It helps to transform abundance energy into a higher vibe so that you can actually connect with more of what it is that you want to do and have in your life. So I'm going to turn this around so y'all can start what I have on my desk. This is Dragon's Blood Jasper. We took this on one of my walks. My guides and I, in the Dragon's Blood Jasper. Here's my rose quartz, very soft. Here's the candle quartz. Oh, one year I really treated myself to this hunk of Turcomer diamond. It's awesome. Abundance, negative energy protection, rose quartz for attracting more into my life and for unconditional love. Of course, I will have a good size selenite angel to help keep all of these crystals and minerals clear, and of course because of the angels. Now I have this beautiful, well, this guy's heavy. It's got almost 2 pounds perhaps. This is my magnetite, and it has different sides. Sometimes I change it. Okay. So magnetic attraction. Prehnite is also on some selenite. Isn't this beautiful? This is from Morocco. The magnetite is from Morocco. We also have my incense going, my candles, and this, I need to make more pretty soon, my personal concoction, if you will, of smudge. Hello. And then one of my very favorite pieces, Shangaan amethyst. It's from Shangaan, South Africa. What's interesting about these, besides how unique they are, and I have another piece that I'll show you here in a second. It's amethyst. It's an amethyst rod or point. Clear quartz point that amethyst then grows around. Let me see. Okay, over here on the other side, and I'll show you those guys another time. This is another point. We can kind of see where the amethyst grew around the quartz from the inside. So they're kind of like a manifestation stone in addition to violet flame. Unfortunately, it doesn't have more of its rod, but look at the color. Look at how different. This is the one that actually captured my attention at one of the Tucson shows several years ago. Okay, my Palo Santo. So this is what's on the right side of my desk, and I will share the other side with you another time. Why am I sharing this? Well, the other day, I think it was yesterday's vlog, that I talked about the palm stones and someone asking me why I take palm stones. Well, the rest of my crystals are a pretty good size and not always that easy to carry around when I'm on my walk. Now, I do sometimes take the smaller Shangaan amethyst with me, and other times I'll take, if I'm going on a short walk, I'll take my Turcomer diamond cluster. This has 4 points on it. 4 big points. Isn't that beautiful? All right. What do you have on your desk? I'd love to know. Do share that in the comments. If you have any questions about anything I've shown you today, let me know, and we'll talk again soon.